Hey, Lego Rex 501st.
And Lego Boy 3298.
And we made an awesome mock. Yes, it's really cool. So, yeah, we're gonna show this to you really quickly. So we've got some droid vehicles. We have the MTT here, and the doors are open, and it's sending out some droids. And that's a walking droid there. He's awesome. Jetpack droid, dying droids, yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, we've got like the gray area with just mainly the droids on it, and destroyer droid. And over here, Ventress has two guards, and she's like killing, like stabbing a clone trooper coming out of this swamp we made. We've got a really cool swamp, like clone troopers in the swamp coming out, like a jet trooper. That's actually my custom jet trooper. I love that guy. And then two guys right here, they're like talking. We've got some cool gunner guys, I guess. Two dying clones here, nice rock piece. That guy. And this really old walker and the new turbo tank walker. And then we've got this really cool lookout tower over here on, well, this right here is like the lookout part, and it's got a guy, it's like a light here, and over here is like the sniper tower. It's got a leaf on the top, leaf on this ladder on the side, and it's the sniper gun right there. Right there, yeah. And so that's cool. And then we've got this walkway. And Lego Boy 3298, feel free to talk to point out any features.
Sure.
Yeah, so we've got this awesome custom guy who I like to use in my videos right here. He's like,
yeah, he's really cool.
Yeah, he's like the commander, the whole army pretty much. Not, well, I guess you could say that. I mean, like, he's standing on the balcony there with the walkway between it, the public symbol. This is sort of like his view right here of the battle. He's got a nice view. And right here,
so right there is the walkway.
Yeah.
Coming down from the turbo tank.
Yeah, it's hooked up nicely, and it's got a clone pilot coming on, and it's got like this boarding thing over here. There's a, there's like a clone in there, and like a control panel sort of thing right there, and steps leading to the ramp. There's the pilot again. We've got some custom troopers here and there, and the turbo tank is opened up. And anything else?
No.
Alright.
Like a sky view.
Oh yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, there's a nice sky view. Yep, that's nice.
Yeah, it took quite a while, but it was well worth it because it turned out really good.
Yeah, it was pretty much the whole day we worked on it. It even snowed today.
Yep. Yeah,
that was cool. Alright. That was our nice custom mock. Well, yeah, it's custom of course, but yep. I'll be showing you some more videos, and Lego Boy 3298 will too. And visit both of our channels, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
See ya.